Hello, my dear students. I, Miss Manasa Sayed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today, I am going to teach you EVS subject of grade 2. Children, now tell me what we have learnt in the last period. We have started a new lesson. Okay. What was the lesson? Lesson number 6, our neighborhood. Okay. So, in that we have learned the people who live near our houses are, who are they, children? They are our neighbors. Okay. And as you know, if you want to purchase something, you will go outside. Where exactly you will go? To the market. Yes. So, the market and other places like this, which we are using and which are helpful for us, like hospital, schools, banks, these are the places which are present in a particular area. So, including the peoples, the neighbors, and the places like these make up a neighborhood. So, and about the places which are present in the neighborhood, we have learned in the last period about the hospital, bank, police station, and market. These 4 places we have already saw. So, today we are going to learn the other part of this lesson. So, till then, open your textbook EVS session, page number 33. Yes, we saw about the market, hospital, police station, and bank. Now we are going to see the park. Next is the park. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. When we are going to the park, children, yes, when you will feel bored at that time, जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो रहा है, you are not feeling good at home, at that time you will go to a park. Yes, some of them are going at that time, or else when you are going to the park, children, when you want to play with your friends. Yes, good. So, we go to the park to play and to exercise. When we are going to the park, we go to the park to play and to exercise. Exercise spelling E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. Some people go there, means where? In the park, to meet and talk to others. See, you can see in this picture, we go to park to play and exercise. See here the children are playing, and here you can see these ladies, they are doing exercise, and here the persons who are sitting on this bench, on this table, they are talking to each other. Parks are big places with plants and trees. So what we can see in the parks, children? Some of the time we can see the games, slides, seesaws, right, children? We can see plants also and trees also, where people enjoy fresh air. Yes, if we will go to a park, children, we can feel the fresh air because there is very greenery. You can see everywhere, you can find the plants and the trees, and the fresh air we can breathe and we can feel that freshness in the park. We can play with our friends, we can have a round, we can feel the fresh air, even we can do the exercise to stay fit and healthy, and we can meet to our friends also. And here, if you are going with your parents, with your grandparents, they are sitting here on the benches and they are talking to each other. Some parks also have swings and slides for children to play. So, as I said you, even some of the parks, they have swings and slides for children to play. Okay. Even the seesaws also you can see. Next, the fire station. The fire station. F-I-R-E. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. S-T-A. Repeat the spelling, children. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. If a building in our neighborhood catches fire, if a building, not only a building, children, if a building or any other like house or any other thing in our neighborhood catches fire, मतलब जहां पे आग लग जाती है, okay, we call the fire station. So we call the fire station. If the thieves had taken something from us, अगर चोरी हो जाती है, so we are calling to the doctor. Huh? No. Then to whom we are calling? Police officers, right? So in the same way, if any building or any house catches fire, we are calling to the fire station. People who put out fires, you can see in this picture, they are putting out the fire, मतलब आग बुझा रहे हैं, ठीक है? People who put out fires are called firefighters. Okay? They come in a fire engine. See, this is a fire engine, and these people, those who are putting out the fire, they are fire fighters. They are fighting with the fire. So, the people who put out the fire are called fire fighters. Interactive tasks we have here. Just a minute, wait, children. Drag and drop each piece in its correct place to complete the picture. Press done. This is the preview, children. In this picture, we have to place those pieces of puzzle and we have to complete this puzzle. Okay. hint will get? Okay, this kind of a piece we have to select now. Yes. Next hint is here. In this way, we have to complete the picture. We have to drag and drop here. Next. Yeah, half of the picture is completed now. The last one. Yes.
Congratulations.
Turn the page, children. Two more. No. One more place we are going to see now. The post office. Why we are going to the post office, children? What do you think? For what purpose we are going? किस काम से हम लोग post office जाते हैं? To post the letters, right? P-O-S-T, post. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Post office. We go to the neighborhood post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. Exactly. If we want to post a letter to our friends, to our relatives, to our near one, we are going to the neighborhood post office. Neighborhood post office means the post office placed in an area where we are living, means near to our houses. We buy stamps at the post office. What we are buying at the post office? Stamps. We also send money and parcels by post. Not only we can send the letters, but also we can send money and other parcels by the post. Okay. Our neighborhood is where we live. As I said you, an area where we are living. Neighborhood means where we are living. We must keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, cleanliness is godliness. So, we must keep our neighborhood clean. We must not throw garbage on the streets. रोड पे कुछ भी गिराना नहीं है. Though we are not living on that particular place or on that particular road, then too we should not leave any of the garbage, papers. We should not spill anything on the street. We can also plant trees to make our neighborhood green and beautiful. Yes, children, if we want our neighborhood should be green, should have the fresh air by the greenery, we can also plant the trees. So children, till now we have saw the places in our neighborhood. First one, the market, where we can find and where we can purchase the things which we are using on the daily basis. Vegetables, milk, medicines, pulses and all. Okay. Second place we saw the hospital. When we are not feeling well, when we hurt, when we injured something, we are going to the hospital. And in that hospital, the nurses and the doctors are taking care of us and they are guiding us. Means they are telling us what to do so we can be well again. Next we saw the police station. Means the police help us and the policemen keep this neighborhood safe from the thieves and robbers. They make sure that people follow the safety rules and live peacefully with each other. Next we saw the bank. We keep our money, jewelry in the banks. Even we can take the loan from the bank. Means bank is providing the loan and they are lending the money to the people to buy houses, car, for the study or any other use. Next, the park, which you all love the most because you always want to play with your friends, right? So in the park, we can play, we can do exercise, we can meet the people, we can feel the fresh air because we have many trees and small plants in the garden. Even in some of the places and some of the parks, children, we have the slides and other swings also to play. Then next we saw the fire station. If any building or any house catches fire, so we are calling to the fire station. And the people who are putting out the fires, they are called fire fighters. Last we saw the post office, whereas if we want to post any letter, if we want to send money, if we want to send any of the parcel to our friends, to our relatives or to our near one, we are sending it by the post. So a neighborhood means where we are living right now. Okay. So to live peacefully in our neighborhood, we should not disturb other people's. We should keep our neighborhood clean so we can live safely and peacefully. And children, for other beautiful things, we can also grow the plants and we can also grow the trees in our neighborhood for greenery and to look beautiful. So here we have finished with the teaching part. Shall we go for the writing work, children, now? Textbook exercise. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. This is the box. We have to select a word and we have to complete the sentence. Chalo, remove your pencils now first. Sharp your pencils if not. Then we will start writing, okay? I'll give you 1 minute. Here we have the question, children. Pop-up question. We'll see this. We go to the police station or post office or hospital when we are robbed. मतलब अगर हमारे पास से चोरी हो जाती है, where we will go? Police station, post office or hospital? Police station? पक्का? Very good. We go to the police station, post office or hospital when we are sick. When we are sick, when we are not feeling well, where we are going? To the hospital. Very good. You're right. When we want money, we take it out at the ATM, post office or police station. Suppose we are out somewhere and we want to take out our money. So by using ATM we will remove, or we will go to a post office or a police station? ATM. Very good. We can send money and parcels from the post office or from the market or from the ATM. If you want to send money and parcels, how we can send? By the post office? Yes, you are right. Fifth one, firefighters use fire engines, vans or cars when they go to put out a fire. What they are using? Fire engines, vans or cars? I said you while teaching that point. Firefighters, fire stations. Yes, they are using the fire engines. Good. Have you all removed the pencil? Okay. So we have first fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Here in this blue box we have 4 words and we have to complete these 4 fill in the blanks. People who live near our homes are who are they? They are our bank, hospital, market, or they are our neighbors. What they are? They are the neighbors. So we have to write there the spelling of neighbors. NEIGHBOURS. Neighbors. NEIGHBOURS. Neighbors. Write the correct spelling, children. Second one, we buy fruits, vegetables and other things from the dash. From where we are buying vegetables, fruits and the other things? From the, yes, I can't listen. Market. Very good. Market is here. Write the spelling. M-A-R. Read and write. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. First one is over. Second one is also over. Read the spellings and write properly, children. Third one, we keep our money safe in the dash. Where we can keep our money safe, children? In the bank. Very good. Bank is over. Spelling of bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Fourth one, when we are ill, we go to the dash. When we are ill, ill मतलब बीमार हैं, we are not feeling well, we are going to the hospital. Take hospital, hospital spelling HOS, write properly in neat handwriting children. HOSPITAL, hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. Complete the spellings. Till then, we will read the sentences with the correct answer. First one, people who live near our homes are our neighbors. Neighbor spelling NEIGHBOURS. Neighbors. Second one, we buy fruits, vegetables and other things from the dash, from the market. Spelling of market MARKET. Market. We keep our money safe in the bank. Bank spelling children BANK. Bank. When we are ill, we go to the hospital. Hospital spelling HOSPITAL. Hospital. Below that, we have one more point. Look at these pictures. Write the name of the place below each picture. Here we have blank children. Can you see these blanks? What we have to do here, we have to see the picture. We have to recognize which place is that. Then we have to write that name below that picture. And tick the places that you find in your neighborhood. So, which are the places we can find in our neighborhood that we have to tick. Now, first one picture, what is this? Which place is this, children? This is the market. Very good. Can you see the market? Can you have the market in your neighborhood, children? I do have in my neighborhood. Do you have in your neighborhood? Yes. So, tick. And we have to write the name here. MARKET. 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 Second one. Which picture is this? Here you can see this van. What we call this? Ambulance. And here you can see one lady. Who is she? She is a nurse. So this is a hospital. Very good. Do you have hospital in your neighborhood? Yes, we all have. So take this and we have to write here hospital. Spelling of hospital HOSPITAL. 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 So children, today we have completed the other part of the lesson and we have completed 2 points of the textbook exercise also. By relating this question, last question we have solved, look at the picture, write the name of the place. If it is present in your neighborhood, we have to tick. 2 pictures we have to market and hospital. Okay, market and hospital. 2 we saw. Next 4 other pictures we have going to solve in next. Okay, till then read the lesson and learn the spellings. Thank you.